This is the DCG460, a 230mm cordless angle grinder that is part of the 54-volt FLEXVOLT range. Hi, my name is Matthew, and let's jump right into it. So what you get in the box is the 230mm angle grinder, 2 guards, a flange key, the instruction manual, everything neatly packed in a carry case. So let's put this unit to the test. The DCG460 includes a 2-stage trigger switch to prevent accidental start. This unit also features soft start technology for better control. Here I'm cutting through a pathway slab with ease. No cords, no limit, just pure FLEXVOLT performance. If you're in construction, steel fabrication, or heavy-duty demolition, this tool is made for you. Cordless, powerful, and rugged enough for the toughest jobs. The DCG460 proves that cordless doesn't mean compromise. If you're looking for a tough, well-balanced, good-performing cordless grinder, this unit is for you. For more information on this unit, visit www.cibpartners.co.za, locate a dealer near you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.